Dr. David Fabi here, orthopedic surgeon, hip and knee replacement specialist here in lovely San Diego. All right, so let's talk knee replacement surgery. There's a reason why we're doing 600,000 in the United States each year, because the results are excellent and they're getting better and better. Now we're doing same-day discharge knee replacements. We're meeting the expectations of our patients, and patients are getting back to activities such as mountain climbing, hiking, surfing. So that's the goal, if that's the patient's goal. There's a lot of misconceptions out there. A lot of patients think we're cutting the bone here, we're cutting the bone there. No, we're essentially capping the ends of the bone. We're cutting out the arthritis. It's pretty much cutting off about 1 centimeter off the edges of the bone. So there's a lot that goes into it, but just know that the results are awesome.